How to log in into ShowMax account online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into ShowMax account online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser of your preferred choice. Head towards the search bar and in the search bar, type in showmax.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the official web page and make sure ShowMax is available in your region. Here in my case, it is currently not available, but if that is available in your region, you will be able to log in into your account. So once you're on the official web page of ShowMax, head towards the top right corner and click on sign in button. Now to log in, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Or else, you can also use your mobile number in order to log in and make sure your mobile number is linked with your account. Once you're done typing your email address, click on continue and on the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in your correct password and if prompted, verify your identity with the help of verification code if it is prompted or if that is necessary. If not, you'll be directly logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.